Hello, coach.
Good. You made it. Good.
I made it. Yeah, I'm inside. I'm gonna get started. My feet are also getting more muscular.
Yes. It's going to show a lot of the intrinsic muscles of your feet, also the tendons, the extensor tendons, including the anterior tibial tendon. It's going to be like steel cables. And rest. Excellent. How do you feel?
Good. Glutes were the first half a little bit more engaged, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Second half, I felt a little bit less, and I felt my calves more.
Okay. What that means is that your fascia activation start to get fatigued, so you start to lose that connection a little bit towards the end. But in the beginning, it's very good. But that's something that we train and we build it stronger. So in the beginning, the activation is going to be more. So that's why you feel your glutes more. But the quality was good. There's no collapsing of the feet or the ankle, so it's good. All right. Next thing we're going to do is with the one marble, we're going to do the Hyperarch cycling exercise. Good. Concentrate. I can see the tendons pausing. Try to control it more. Keep the steady activation on the standing leg. Ready and start. Concentrate in the arc. Slow it down by another 20%. Yeah, when the heel comes up, try to aim towards your hip. Yes. All the way to the hip. Okay, and start. Same amount of duration, okay? Jab twice and straight punch.
Yeah.
Okay, get ready and start. And start. Concentrate on the foot. Good. 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 And rest. Excellent. How do you feel?
Yeah, good. Same.
Same as before, right? Excellent. Now we're going to do just quick punch, non-stop machine gun. We're gonna do that for a minute, okay?
60?
Yeah, 60 seconds. We're gonna start hopping. When I say go, you go, machine gun, keep punching for a minute. Make sure your heel don't drop, okay? All right, get ready and start. And start. Yep, keep activation in the feet. Excellent, keep going, halfway there. Twenty seconds. And rest. Good. How do you feel?
I'm okay. Getting tired from the warm-up.
At the last 10 seconds, you start feeling a little fatigued?
Yeah, 20, I would say.
Last 20 seconds, okay. Good. Remember, all you have to do, upper body wise, relax. Let everything come from the ground. Let everything come from the ground and let it go. Because when you relax, instead of tensing your muscles, you activate the fascia much more. And the fascia is elastic.
Okay.
And then the harder you punch, there's the harder the recoil. So your fist actually comes back to you. You don't have to think about to withdraw your hand. When you fascia is activated, you punch very fast, it comes back by itself.
Okay.
Those are some of the keys. Okay, last thing we're going to do is the 1 minute Hyperarch mountain climber. Protect your Achilles, and that's it.
Yeah.
Almost there. You can do